I did a video a couple of months back regarding how unperfect this car truly is. So many of these cars get plastered all over social media and everybody goes, oh my God, they're like 11 out of 10. Well, my video, which I'll link for you right here if you missed it, shows just how unperfect this car is. Now, the only claim to fame that I have is that other than the deck lid, which I just put on, and the body kit, this car is original paint. It's also all original panels, and it shows. And I'm about to take you along for a ride and show you that real quickly, because tomorrow this car goes in for paintless dent repair at my buddy's shop, the Dent King. Now I went down there and showed him the car today, and he's like, man, this is easy, right? Like nothing massive, just some little bumps and bruises. However, in order to access all the bumps and bruises, he's like, I got to take the interior out. I'm like, well, don't do that. I'll take it home with me tonight. I'll peel the interior out of it, bring it back to you stripped, and then you can just do your thing. He's like, that'd be brilliant. So that's part of tonight's video. We're going to tear the interior out of this car. But first, I want to take you guys on a quick little walk around as a pre-game to show you some of the things that stand out to me. Now, he's got a way tighter eye than I do. So there's probably stuff I'm going to miss that he's going to fix. But I just want to take you guys through this thing to show you the bumps and bruises that we're going to be tackling. Then we'll get after the interior, and then following all his work, we'll do another walk around and see how good it comes out. Okay, not to bore you too much, especially if you've caught my first video, but this car's got all kinds of goofy little dings in it. I mean, heck, it went through high school with me. The driver's side is a lot worse than the passenger side. This body line on the fender's got all kinds of kind of goofy wows in it. The door is terrible. I've been clipped along this body line so many times. Look at that banger right there. Going back below my quarter window, same thing. Another heater right there. I think the driver's side rear quarter's pretty good. My roof is covered in them. It's actually, they're quite small, which is good. Easy for my buddy to get out. There's a monster right there. My old deck lid's got a bunch of hail damage in it. That's actually what all that is, except for that one. That's a adult pop bottle that caught that. Long story, maybe you tune into the podcast and you'll hear some of those stories. Passenger side's a little better, especially along that body line. I got a ding somewhere in this fender too. It's hard to tell. These things, when you get them behind or in front of fluorescent lights, like my buddy works with, the body panels really start speaking to you. I got a good one right here too. Look at that. I don't even know where the hell I picked that up, but one over the gas door right there. So lots of goofy little stuff that I wouldn't mind getting looked at. And he knows what he's doing and he's willing to give me a hand. So we're going to tear the interior out of it, make his life a little easier. So headliner, door panels, the rear kind of quarter interior panels here, and make his life easier so he can just get in there and work his magic. Well, that escalated quickly. We got headliner, we got the back interior quarter panels, we got door panels, we got sound deadener. Actually, speaking of sound deadener, so this headliner has never been out of this car. Yeah, absolutely barbecued insulation. What a mess. So we're stripped, at least stripped enough so that my buddy can do his thing. Right. So I'm actually going to get after ordering a case of kill mat, and while these panels are out, I'm going to kill mat the roof and stuff, because I'll see if you guys can hear this. So obviously the headliner's out, right? But have a listen. Sounds like an old tin boat, right? Anyway, get some kill mat in there, and yeah, now my buddy can work his magic. Get these, especially these door dents out. Jeez, these things are awful. Like, look at that door, it just waves at you. Absolute shame. Dickheads in parking lots. If you're a dickhead in a parking lot watching this, you know what to do. Morning, folks. Don't mind the noise, it's a little loud in this tin trap. You want to say good morning to everyone, Sades? Morning. So I'm taking Sades to school, and then running down to the Dent King. Man, we had a storm blow through here last night. I wasn't sure if I was going to even want to take the car out today. Yeah. What? Mountains, yeah. Anyway, it's funny, I've found some new rattles in my car. Driving it around a little bit without all the insulation and trim panels. So I'm going to be tending to those. I placed an order last night for some kill mat, and I'm going to be doctoring up this interior a little bit. So anyway, guys, stand by. I'm hoping to get you some footage when we're at Dent King. Maybe we can see it under some lights, walk around it a little bit, but we'll see what we can do here. So stand by. We'll be down there shortly. Home sweet home, and we have a straighter car. So she went through the ringer, ladies and gents, but she came out the other end in better shape. Now, please don't mind the mangled up paint, okay? Cut me some slack, it's 31 years old, but no more dents. All my hail damage is gone. Even that massive dent that was in here, gone. My door, geez, I'm kind of casting a shadow here with the vert, but is no longer full of dents either. Actually, I don't know. It's maybe still a little wavy, but Lord only knows. You know what I mean? Like, this car's been through war a couple of times with me. But like, big stuff that was on the body line now is gone. I've actually got a crisp body line again. There was one back here in the rear. That's why I removed those rear plastics. It's gone. That paintless dent repair, PDR for short, is absolutely amazing. My hood was fairly straight, other than, jeez, hold on. Other than there was one, geez, can't even see him anymore, but there was one in here. He got rid of that. I had the one I pointed out to you guys there about the gas tank. Now I have the remnants of what was once a dent. Now it's just a like scratch. There was a monster right in here, right there. Again, just the remnants of whatever clipped me. The roof is the big one, right? Like this roof under the appropriate light looked like a golf ball. My old deck lid was the same. This is obviously the new painted one. And it's this damn deck lid that's caused so much of this grief. I knew this was gonna happen. You put a nice painted panel on your car and all of a sudden everything else stands out like a sore thumb. I don't know if there was much to tend to in this door. It's pretty dead straight. And I think there was something in this fender too. But anyway, yeah, folks, she's straight. Thank goodness. It was driving me nuts, especially since that damn deck lid. Anyway, I still got to put my interior back together. I told you guys I ordered that case of Kill Mat, so that's going to go in here. I talked to my buddy Bill Butler the other day, the absolute Foxbody guru. He's also one of the organizers of the Motor City Fox Fest. And he mentioned to me that NPD sells a replacement insulation kit for the roof, right? Before you run your headliner back in there. Me up here in Canada, I don't know that's going to be worth me placing the order for that. And I think Kill Mat's probably going to solve more of my problem. I also, as I bring in the car here with me, discovered that I'm getting a major rattle out of this crossbeam like crazy. I actually thought, I've dealt with it for years. I thought it was through here. Oh yeah, don't mind my broken tabs either for anybody with a tight eye. I thought it was in here on this trim piece. Turns out it wasn't at all. It's right here. So this is gonna get some Kill Mat thrown around it and maybe even get the tabs tightened up a little bit. Looks like whoever built my car didn't bend these tabs over appropriately. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this tonight. Having a little Kill Mat operation, maybe a cold pop, and just crank some tunes and put my interior back together. All right, folks, we're gonna leave this one here. Thanks so much for tagging along on my PDR adventure, and a massive, massive thank you to Todd and Kevin at Dent King. Guys, they're unreal, okay? Like, if you're anywhere in the area that I live, like, go check these guys out. Not only do they do PDR, they also have paint and body there. They got a paint booth, great painter, the whole 9 yards. So, over my shoulder here, you might be able to see a box from the LMR. We got more stuff going on here, folks, so make sure you stay tuned to the channel. I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me and watching my videos. And as always, thank you. If you think this video would help someone out there, please share it along. That's why I do these videos, to try and help the community out. So thanks a lot, guys. I'll chat with you in the comments. Take care. Bye for now.